Physics experiment by Karen and Anna. Finding density. What is density? The formula for density is mass over volume. What are the equipments needed for this experiment? You will need a water displacement can, a beaker, a measuring cylinder, a string, an irregular object, a cork, a weight, a regular object, a bob. Lastly, you will need an electronic weighing machine. To find the density of a regular object, we will first need to find the volume of the regular object. Step 1. Fill the water displacement can with water till it's fully filled. Next, place the water displacement can in the basin and wait till the water stops flowing. Step 3. Place the beaker beside the water displacement can and drop the bob into the water displacement can. Then, pour the water into the measuring cylinder, ensuring that there is no water left in the beaker. Lastly, fill the water at eye level and record down the water level. The volume of the regular object is 7 cubic centimeters. Now, let us find the mass of the regular object. First, switch on the electronic weighing scale and press the 0 button to reset it. Then place the regular object, in this case the bob, onto the electronic weighing machine. The mass of the bob is 95.8 grams. With the results recorded, we can use the formula to find the density of the regular object. The density of the regular object equals to 95.8 grams over 7 cubic centimeters, which equals to 13.7 grams per cubic centimeter, to 3SF. Next, we will be finding the density of an irregular object. Let's start by finding the volume of an irregular object. First, use the string to tie the irregular object and the weight together. For the next step, repeat steps 1 and 2 of finding the volume of a regular object. Next, carefully drop the weight and the irregular object into the water displacement can, ensuring that it is fully submerged in the water. Step 4. Wait till the water from the water displacement can stops flowing. Five. Pour the water with beaker into the measuring cylinder, ensuring that there is no water left in the beaker. Step 6. Fill the water at eye level and record down the water level. The volume of the weight and the irregular object, in this case a cork, is 9 cubic centimeters. For step 7, repeat steps 1 and 2 of finding the volume of a regular object. Next, remove the irregular object and drop only the weight into the water displacement can. Wait till the water from the water displacement can stops flowing. Step 9. Fill the water at eye level and record down the water level. The volume of the weight is 1 cubic centimeter. The volume of the irregular object can be found by subtracting the volume of the weight from the volume of the irregular object with the weight. which equals to 9 cubic centimeters, subtracting 1 cubic centimeter, which equals to 8 cubic centimeters. Next, let us find the mass of the irregular object. Similar to measuring the mass of a regular object, we will first start by switching on the weighing scale and pressing the 0 button to reset it. Next, carefully place the irregular object, in this case the cork, onto the electronic weighing balance. Then record down the mass of the object. The mass of the object is 1.7 grams. Now that we know that the volume of the irregular object is 8 cubic centimeters and the mass of the regular object is 1.7 grams, we can find the density of the irregular object. To calculate the density of the irregular object, we must use the formula mass over volume. By taking 1.7 grams over 8 cubic centimeters, we will get 0.21 grams per cubic centimeters to 3SF, which is the density of the irregular object. With that, we have come to the end of our instructional science video on density. Thank you.